Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Umbral Eyes in Lords of the Fallen. To do this, first you'll need to reach the Skyrest vestige, it's right here, and then make sure that you're in the Umbral. Now we can walk this path right there. There should be a guy sitting and we can talk to him. Then we have the socket Umbral Eye. When you click on it, you'll be able to socket one and secondary eye to your lamp to get some benefits. You can read them in the bottom right corner and in the top right corner for secondary socket and main socket. And you can unlock secondary socket by upgrading your lamp, probably, I'm not sure yet, but probably that's how it goes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.